Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha reports, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to Medina Munawwara, Hazrat Abu Bakr and Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu anhu were prostrated with illness. When Hazrat Abu Bakr's radiyallahu anhu temperature would shoot up, he would recite, "Every person overtakes dawn with his family, whereas death is nearer to him than his shoelace." And when Hazrat Bilal's temperature would get low, he would recite aloud, "Would that I could spend a night in that valley surrounded by idkhir and jalil grass. Will there come a day when I will drink the water of Majannah, and will the mountains of Shama and the field be visible to me?" Then he would supplicate, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, put Shaiba bin Rabia, Utbah bin Rabia, and Umayyah bin Khalaf under your curse, as they have expelled us from our homeland to a land of pestilence." Then Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, inspire in our hearts the love of Medina Munawwara similar to that of Makkah, or even more than that. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, bless us in our sa and our mud, and make its climate congenial to us and transfer its fever to Juhafa." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, when we came to Medina Munawwara, it was a land repleted with pestilence more than any other land of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and said, Bathan Valley would keep on flowing here slowly. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1889.